So, this is all my brand new Xbox stuff I just got for Christmas. And I've partially opened the Xbox. It's the Halo 4 edition. Yeah, I took Halo 4 out of it and then this silly little game. I don't know what it is. Probably just going to trade this one in. It's nothing special, but here we go. Yeah, this game. Nobody ever plays these. I got a, I guess some sort of special headset. Nothing special, not really a Turtle Beach or anything. Made by Hyperkin. Okay, well, I guess I'll be using that. And, got this thing. 4-in-1 accessories pack. Remote HDMI cable. Controller case. And a battery recharging cable. Yeah, all that fun stuff. And now for the Xbox itself. There we go. It's out of the box. Yeah, sorry for the crappy video. It's with one hand. Where's this motherfucker open? Here we go. Like I said, it's already been opened, so we don't have to break the magical seal. Hold that. Hi. Don't get my face. Just the console, not my face. There we go. Just the console. Yes, that's food. Thanks. Let's see what we got in here. AV cables. Hook up to the TV. Those are important, really important. We got our power cord that connects into this. Power cord connects into this humongous, what I call the power plant. If I hit somebody, I'd kill them. It also works as a nice butt plug too. Halo 4. A manual in case you don't know how to play video games. Same thing. The other headset. Choking hazard. We got our Halo 4 Special Edition controller, and it comes with batteries because they're so nice. Nice rotating D-pad, the new feature. The hell? Well, yeah, I'll get to that later in the video. It's a nice glossy finish up here, and on the bottom it's see-through. Nice matte finish. We got our second controller. Again, the controller has the rotating D-pad. I guess it only rotates one way. Alright, I guess so. And now, the Xbox itself. It's about 2 to 3 pounds lighter than the other edition. The Xbox, it's see-through. If you come closer, you can see the insides of the console. Instead of the other kind of hard drive, we have a... What the racism? 320 gigabyte smaller hard drive, and the hard drives are not interconnectable with the other Xbox, so if you need to transfer your data, you need a transfer cable, just like I need one. And it's probably at get them at GameStop, Microsoft.com. So yeah, that's it. And this is no button; it's a push button now. And there is now custom sound effects with the buttons on the Xbox. Just untie this twist tie. It's like a little bow. Very unemotional bow. Microsoft put on it. It's like, we're boring people. We'll just put a very boring bow. Makes you work to get it off. Stupid African American Xbox 360. And the port to put the power brick in this year is different. Well, not this year, this console. Let's plug this bad boy in. If you follow, nice, put a little plastic plug on it so you don't poke yourself in the eye. How nice. Now, if you come over here with me, over to the wall, yeah, you should probably. Oh, yeah. Just plug it in before you even try and turn it on. Just a little heads up there. There you go. Yeah, it's pretty badass. And the controllers and also the Xbox are no longer going along with the nice little green light, as in the regular Xbox's controller, like this one. No more green light. Now it is a fancy dancy blue light, just like on that one. I personally think that's awesome. Yeah. What'd I do? I didn't commit no crime. Oh. Maybe I did commit a crime. Just a small crime. Small crime. Little crime. It's again fancy dancy blue light. Ooh, the triggers feel nice. Not as ghetto as these ones did. You can see some Grand Theft Auto up there. Uh-oh, on the TV. Yeah. Playing my old Xbox right before I open this one. So, yeah. There's the video. And, let's open the 4-in-1 accessory pack. Santa just makes these things hard as hell to open. We got an HDMI cable. Useless for me because I'm really poor and don't have a HD TV. Got a play and charge kit, rechargeable battery, and charger for the rechargeable battery. We got a media remote for the Xbox. Isn't that exciting? What do we have here? Oh, a controller case. Controller case. Imagine that. God, if this thing does not open, I'm about to kill its family. It's a thin rubber case, not going to offer much protection. These Xbox controllers I've thrown them around numerous times and they never ever break. So, yeah. It's not going to offer you any more protection except to look badass and actually look nifty, I guess. But it just ruins the whole Halo 4 theme of the controller, in my opinion. Put this fucker on. Oh shit, oops. Ooh. Sorry, it's a really long and hard process, if you know what I mean, to get this fucker on. Alright, it looks like an Xbox controller, imagine that. Well, I wouldn't recommend throwing the controller across the room after putting this on, but it's not going to help if you're falling off a building with your Xbox controller. Anything else in here? A manual in case you don't know how to use a cable or a remote. I guess that's it.